In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip file packing and unpacking app on your Huawei MatePad 10.4 2022. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our app gallery. From here, enter the RAR in the search bar right here. It's this app right here, and we can install it. After installation process is complete, we'll need to grant the RAR app the all file access, then click install. Now let's open our app, grant the access again, and here we can already start using this app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.